work.
Glistening.
That boy shine.
Everybody was saying, like, what's on your finger right there? And then I'll be like, oh, it's from Leek. They be like, what's on that finger? Because I gotta get it resized.
It's real. Yeah, it's real. Yeah, it's real. Yeah, it's real. No peeling. I started to get her a fake one from
AliExpress.
No, from Haiti. They had the fake one. No, not Haiti. St. Thomas.
Look at that.
St. Thomas and what do you call it? Had them bitches on deck. Them bitches.
Puerto Rico.
Yeah, Puerto Rico. I'll buy a bag back there. I'm about to buy a bag for myself. I swear I'll buy a bag for myself.
A book bag?
Yep. My book bag.
You want the honor to hold it? Or to sit next to you?
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
That real leather.
What we about to do?
That ain't no Charmin' Charlie. Go get some food.
Oh, what up?
You want to stop at the store first?
I think I'm about to throw all my checks from work. Alright, I think this one I'm gonna do for real. All my checks from work, I'm gonna just start depositing them bitches in the bank. What?
Okay, so if I play this song, will you sing it?
It depends what it is. Yeah, hell yeah, I'm gonna sing this song. But they love this picture though. They just showing so much love.
Yes, like they looking at Lisa. Lisa liked it, but I went to her house.
Still inside of Paris home. Oh, that shit's still. I don't live in Denver. I grew up in Sierra Leone.
Or you could put some music over.
Probably getting like $2 or something.
So give me a Sprite and a.
Nah, I'm gonna give you a can of Sprite.
Yeah.
I was about to say the other shit, like $1.89.
Yeah, no, a can Sprite. Okay, so get me a can Sprite and a Teas and Treats can. And that's like $3.
I think I'm gonna go up to some Welding tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Get some hot Cheetos.
I'm telling Mama Carter to get her windows tinted.
Get some candy.
Alright, gonna be them Zowers.
Alright.
The other can get $1.25. Hell no.
Right.
You ain't getting no chocolate. You should have brought your stocking.
I literally just said that.
Damn, it's cold as hell.
Cool as fuck. So we're about to weld.
First time welding. This finna be a breeze.
Got a welder for Christmas. What? How many volts is this? 125.
Damn, you I saw that.
Is that not good? Is that not good?
So you ain't got to though.
Okay, but it's like detail. I like, you know, I told you I like detail.
You smell like this.
Look.
You say smart?
I told you I like detail.
You smell like detail.
You fucking look like fucking detail. How about that?
I'm looking for something.
What you looking for? Hey, my neck cold. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Well, outside look good.
Oh, that's. I was gonna say through the camera, huh?
Huh?
That's through the helmet.
Yeah.
They get darker as they get brighter. The more brighter it is, the darker it is.
I can't take this shit off my head to try to show. I don't know. I can't do that shit. What's a little wrong?
It's like a night vision.
Right. Can't even see you. Well, barely. Oh shit! Malik about to fucking kill me in here. Okay, I'm not gonna go all the way over there, but oh look, the cars look raw.
know, I told you this is easy.
So what we gonna do?
So we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna get one. We're gonna brainstorm. Then we're gonna think about what the fuck we need to do. After we watch a few YouTube videos and go do some stuff.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Alright, my toes are cold.
Man, my toes, my nose.
Nose, my all that. What shit?
Come on, let's go upstairs real quick.
Oh, did you get it? Yeah, loosen it. You reaching? You reaching, fat man?
You reaching what?
Oh, look at that shit! I think I'm gonna get it darker.
Man, my hair stinks.
Did they say who's that pulling up?
Wonder who's gonna eat.
I don't know.
Okay, let's see.
I just got them lighter because I didn't know if you wanted them real dark. But I said I think I'm gonna get them dark.
They do it for free?
Nah. Those. I ain't got no key, but.
Oh, here. How you gonna say but?
I ain't
What
gonna
if you would have turned it off by mistake?
No, I wouldn't turn it off. You reaching?
What that mean?
See, man, you ain't been on Instagram. You ain't been on social media in so long. You don't know the terminology.
She's always staring at the door and watch people pull up.
That's how you know she getting old. That's what old people do. That's what old people do. She don't want to see this.
Yeah. She still ain't closing the door.
I know. Yeah, I'm recording.
You recording for real?
Yeah.
I just came up for music.
Out here can't help us. Undercover dream lovers that been us. Got me smoking them fumes at dinners. Added to the young dinners. I'm still thinking about Keisha.
Shit, when I get my car, my other car and stuff, this one I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna bring it over here. Get one of them little like shed type things for cars. Cover your car. It's like one of them plastic shed type things. Get that. Bring my stuff up here. Put like a stake in the thing. A couple stakes with some loops on it. Then put some concrete in the ground. Put some concrete in the ground. Then put like then I can chain my stuff up in there. Some people like they've trying to stood it, but it be chained up and shit the whole time. I don't know. I might do that in my house. Highlight my stuff, all my little stuff in my house. So then I'm parking the driveway and getting the driveway, and I can have that in the garage. I mean, I had that behind the house. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that and stuff. Chill, you know. Yeah, that's probably about it. What I'm gonna do? Sliding. Right around, sliding. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for real. I got a welder now, so I'm gonna just start practicing some little welders. Then when I get better, that's when I'm gonna start my project. And yeah, I'm gonna go from there. Yeah, it's 2018. It's time to stop with the fakery, and get real. And you know, do what's best for you. Do what's best for me. And yeah, it's about that time. I don't even know if you can see me. You can see me. You can see me. You'll see me when you see me. I got whip skills, man. I just be I be having the smallest gaps to squeeze through them boys like I'm a mouse or something. That's my nickname, Mouse. Hey, Mouse. That nigga. And I'm light on my feet, boy. You them lights again. Oh yeah, just that place. Yeah, that's about it. About to be back over my table, go get me something to eat. Go get us something to eat. Chill. For real. I gotta work in the morning. Go to work. Get off early. It's a little short shift. Little short money. But it's cool though. I'm still getting money though. That's about it. I'm just chilling. Run this light. Oh, I ain't technically running, but yeah, I'm just getting money. It's 20. You know, it's time for all the faking. It's time to stop all the faking. And you gotta get it, man. You gotta grind, man. Like my dude I used to work with. I would say my coworker. Dude I used to work with. Sir Ant. He got a closing line talking about go get it. He always got some motivational speeches he be talking about. He real good, man. I just listen like that. He preaching that word. You know? So I'm gonna cop a couple of his hats, show y'all what I've been talking about. Go get it. Yeah. That's about it. For right now. Put the camera in the way. Oh shit. On the speed with my feet kicked up. Going over 40 into 35. With the camera all out. Lights on. No seatbelt on. Could've just went to jail. Not jail, but got a ticket. Yeah. Leaky. It's hot in here. I got some tape put on my mama's car earlier today for Christmas. I should have made it darker, but I thought she was just trying. I know she was gonna be cool with dark tint. I thought she ain't, I know she was not cool with dark tint. I thought she wanted dark tint. So I get her some cool light tint. But I might go back and make it darker. Yeah, I might just go make it darker for real. It look nice though. I might get it darker though. Get it dark, get her shit dark. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, it's hot. But that's about it for real. I got a lot of stuff coming in for 2018. Alright, this is what I'm gonna say. I got a lot of stuff coming for 2018. I got bills. I got a mod of my car. I got vlogs. I got a lot of events. I got a lot of stuff going on. So I'm just gonna be. I just gotta go hard and go get it, man. I just gotta get what I want. And I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna grind. I'm gonna get to the stuff. I'm gonna get the grind and get the acting. Get to everything I want to do. 2018 was full of blessings. 2016, 2017 was nothing but lessons and stuff. So I learned from those. So I'm about to go. So go get something to eat. God, just pulled up. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it for now. I'm gonna try to put this up tonight. Tomorrow. Tonight. I'm trying to do it tonight. It ain't really that much. Or tomorrow. I don't know.